100 years. Even back in the black and white movie days, we put powdered milk in the water so the water showed up on screen. But then probably to your naked eye, it doesn't quite look like rain. But remember, the camera is a framing of a rectangle. And if you frame it up just like a director would, it looks just like rain falling down from the sky. And I will say, for some bigger weather effects, you can't really fake it with some sprinklers and some speakers. You kind of gotta do it for real. You kind of gotta go big or go home. And that's what I mean by that.